What if your charts could actually guide you, showing you high-probability buy and sell zones without confusion? In today's video, I'm introducing a powerful TradingView indicator that goes beyond basic signals. It helps uncover what the market is really doing. It filters out the noise, reduces late entries, and focuses only on the areas that truly matter. No cluttered screens, no complicated strategies, just clear visuals and logical decision-making. Whether you're brand new to trading or already experienced, this tool can sharpen your discipline and help you know when to enter and when to stay out. This indicator doesn't promise instant profits. Instead, it builds consistency by encouraging rule-based trading. Stick with this video until the end because the insight you gain could completely shift the way you approach the market. If you find value here, support the channel by liking and subscribing. We'll keep things simple and straight to the point. Let's begin by understanding the tools we'll use. The buy and sell arrows you see on the chart come from an indicator called Q-trend. Now, let's walk through how to set everything up properly. First, open the gold chart on the 1-minute time frame, and don't worry, this method works on other time frames too. Next, go to the Indicators tab and search for Q-trend. Choose the one created by Tarasenko and add it to your chart. Now open the settings. Change the ATR period from 14 to 40. Then change the EMA smoother period from 3 to 10. Keep the extra visual options hidden for a cleaner chart. Click OK, setup complete. Now let's strengthen this strategy by adding another indicator. Go back to Indicators and search for Klinger Volume Oscillator. Select the version created by Everjet. Open the settings. Change the display style from line to area. Keep unnecessary options hidden. Change the fast length from 34 to 29. Change the signal smoothing length from 13 to 16. Click OK. Now your setup is fully ready. Before we continue, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future strategies. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Chart increasing buy conditions. Q-trend shows a buy area. Klinger volume is showing a green area. The current candle is bullish. When all three align, we enter a buy trade. Stop loss goes below the previous low. Risk to reward ratio. Chart decreasing sell conditions. Q-trend shows a strong sell area. Klinger volume is red. The candle closes bearish. When these conditions align, we place a sell trade. Stop loss goes above the previous high. Risk to reward ratio remains. Honestly, I used to struggle with emotional trading and inconsistency until I started focusing on structured tools and discipline. This indicator didn't create miracles, but it helped bring clarity. And clarity is what most traders are missing. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Subscribe if you want practical, real-world strategies. No hype, no gimmicks, just clean market logic. Test everything yourself before using real money. Adjust it to your style. Always manage risk properly.